In this video, this man is a genius.
But he's wrong. He is a genius, just like Flint Lockwood and Albert Steve. He had some parts completely mixed up in the old yoo-hoo. This is how you actually solve it. First, grab a piece of pen. I call it stuffed pizza crust. Genius. Then, you grab a piece of paper and shove it together. Then, Pythagorean theorem. You see? This is wrong.
How is it wrong? The video said how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Well, he was wrong. You have to do an equation called the Schneider theorem. This equation is considered to be God.
Bull malarkey! I didn't got an equation. I beckoned to the Father. Frankly, I'm disappointed you would even suggest such a bird-brained idea.
You buffoon! Use the Schneider theorem, which states that any cube made of cubes can be solved by using tubes. Now, we draw a beautiful mosaic version of a Rubik's Cube. Perfect. Now, I'm going to cut it. After much work and consideration, I think this is a masterpiece. Any cube made of cubes can be solved by using tubes. Now, we shake it a little bit. Let's see the results. There you go. That is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. No. There you go. That is the correct way to solve a Rubik's Cube.